Life isn't fair, but it is still good. Life is too short to waste time hating anyone. Don't take yourself so seriously. No one else does. Cry with someone. It's more healing than crying alone. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. If a relationship has to be a secret, you shouldn't be in it. You can't get through anything if you stay put in today. A writer writes, if you want to be a writer, write. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Forgive everyone, everything. What other people think of you is none of your business. Time heals almost everything. Give time. However good or bad a situation is, it will change.